Hello all, uh, this is exponentiation, another Python math operator. Exponentiation is a mathematical operation that involves raising a number to a certain power. And exponentiation provides a concise and efficient way to express repeated multiplication. For example, instead of writing 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, we can simply write it as 2 to power raised to power of 4, or 2 superscript 4. But this is not how it is written in Python programming. In Python programming, we write it as 2 star star 4. So in Python, exponentiation operator is donated by 2 stars or 2 asterisks. It is used, as I said, to raise a number to a certain power. The basic syntax is that you write base, then you write the 2 stars, then you write the exponents, that is the power. Okay, let's look at this example. This is the base here, 3 is the base, and this star, it means that we are trying to raise this 2 as the power. So here we read it as 3 raised to power of 2. Okay, this is the exponent or the power. This is the base. Okay, so that's it. The base represent the number. Here 3 represent the number you want to raise to a power, and the exponent represent the power to which you want to raise the base. So let's look at the examples. Example 1, 2 star 2. It should be interpreted, understood, and read as 2 to raise to power of 2, and the result is 4. Yes, 3 star 2. It shall be interpreted, read, and understood as 3 raised to power of 2, and the result is 9. We all know that 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, and 2 star 4, it shall be understood as 2 raised to power of 4, and the result is 16. We all know that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 twos, is equal to 16. Uh, this is the exercise on exponentiation, and the exercise requires that you fill in the blank spaces. Number 1, 5 star 2, you write the output here. 9 star 2, you write the output here or in the comment section, or wherever feasible. 4 star 2, you write the outputs. Thank you so much.